Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is a monthly favorites video. I'm going to share all the products that I've been absolutely loving in the month of July. So without blabbering much, let's dive right into the video. First product that I have is from Hip Hop. These are the nose strips. This is how it looks like, the packaging. It has got 3 or 6 strips inside. You will remember this from the Nykaa haul. In case you haven't watched it yet, it's linked in the info box down below, as well as maybe on the screen this side. So please watch that. Talking about these, they're really useful, as especially in this lockdown quarantine phase, we cannot afford to go to the salon as it is not really safe. So to get rid of all the blackheads and whiteheads and basically all the gunk on your pores, this can be used at home. Now it's very easy to use. You have to just apply it for max 5 minutes on your damp nose, and then you can get rid of all the gunk in your pores. Also, it's very affordable, so I will link this in the info box down below. Please check it out. The next product that I have is again very useful. I'm talking about face razors. For those of you who don't know, yes, there are face razors for women as well. Now this is again very useful in this lockdown quarantine phase because of the obvious reasons. We cannot go to the salons, but also we cannot live with those bushy eyebrows and all of that excess facial hair. So I've been doing my eyebrows, my upper lips, and getting rid of all of the excess facial hair using this tiny face razor. It comes in a pack of 3 and also is very affordable. So I will link the products again in the info box. Please check it out. The next product that I have is a sheet mask from the Face Shop. It's the potato variant. It comes in a lot of variants. Now why is it so useful? It hydrates your skin. It gives you that instant glow. And also it comes with a lot of excess serum that you can apply on your elbows, your hands, your feet. And again, very affordable, 100 or 150 rupees. It is always on offer, so you can check out the Nykaa website, which is linked in the info box, to get the offer like 7+7 or 3+3. It is basically always on offer. So again, you have to apply it for like 10 minutes, sit and relax, and after that massage the excess serum in your face, and you'll get that amazing hydrated glowing skin. And now coming to the last skincare item that I have in today's list. It's the eye cream from Clinique. This is how the packaging looks like. It's very classy. Now Clinique is India's #1 skincare brand. It's completely fragrance-free, little expensive, or I should say very expensive, but totally worth your money. Now again, due to this quarantine phase, lockdown phase, my screen time has increased a lot, and hence my dark circles. I'm sure most of you might be facing this problem. So if you want to get rid of your dark circles, this is something you can totally try, because I have been using this for almost a month now and I have seen a visible difference. So if you're ready to change your schedule and start using this, you'll definitely get rid of your dark circles. And now coming to the last product of today's video, I have a makeup product. It's the foundation from Milani. Now I've already reviewed this foundation in one of my videos, which is linked on the screen already and in the info box. Now this foundation is my absolute favorite, as especially in this month I've been making a lot of videos for Instagram, for YouTube. So I've been using this foundation quite a lot, and the thing which impresses me the most is its blendability. It blends within like max 1 minute, and also very less amount of the product is required to get that amazing full coverage. So if you're looking for a foundation, this is something you can definitely try. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video, and keep coming back for more videos.